Hello guys, I am back. We're going to be covering the following topics right now: creating a directory, removing a directory. Okay, so let's get back to the terminal. To continue, let's first list the content of the current directory. We have two subdirectories. I'm going to remove these two. Okay, let's begin with. To create a directory, you need to use the command mkdir, okay, followed by the name, for example, countries. If we want to create a subdirectory, let's add a slash, okay, then, for example, the name of that subdirectory. If we want to create a directory and subdirectories with a single command, we need to specify the letter P, for example, colors, followed by curly braces. With curly braces, we specify the name of the subdirectories, okay, for example, red, blue, or green. Okay, if we check, we have two directories. If we run the command tree on colors, we can see the structure. If we run the tree command with countries, we can see the structure. Okay, it is clear. Now that we have two directories with subdirectories, and we know how to create directories directly and also with a single command, let's practice how to remove a directory. To remove a directory and the full content, you are going to use the rm command followed by two flags. The flag rf, that means recursively, and force. Okay, let's remove the directory that is called countries, and then list the content. We have colors. And there is another command that is called rmdir. The rmdir works when the directory is empty. For example, let's remove the directory colors. It doesn't work. Why? Because it has some content. If we remove the content of colors, okay, for example, okay, we can remove directories that are inside colors. For example, okay, we have blue, green, and red. Those are empty directories. So let's run the rmdir colors, then blue. It is an empty directory. Goodbye. The same with green. Let's run tree one more time, and you can see that now we have just one directory. Okay, that's the use of rmdir. But if we want to remove a whole directory, we just need to run the rm command followed by the flags rf. Okay, and the directory is gone. Okay, we have seen so far how to create directory, how to remove directory, and something important: if you don't remember the flags of a specific command, do not forget to use always the option --help. Okay, these are the options available for the mkdir command. We use the -p, no error if existing, make parent directories as needed. Okay, and the same goes by the rm command followed by help. There are more options: f, force, letter r to recursively remove something. Okay, and the same for rmdir command. You can see. Okay, so that's all so far, guys. Let's see you in the next chapter. Bye.